Habakran hag jingelang ban pan jengkershan nagabenta ke Kyrteng ke National People's Party hag election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat ke Dr. Mesel Amparin Lingdo kaban long khat khandai trek we yong arjar psau hasutnga mana ka artrek we yong arjar psau national president ke party Conrad kisangma ubadai ru menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya ulong badai tang ke sarkar MDA ke jingelam ke NPP ke belanut ban kta ke kam ban Pynbeit uput usam ulakan tharu badan wayu MLA ubala Kren na yeng darbar thawan ke jela bakin nam sya ban ai tang shin shi ke khendau sya asam ban haba kelipat tep watang ke wayu ke Kyrteng jongki Jaka Pynbeit pun.
Many things have been done in the last 6 years by this government. But I know that there are many political parties and many leaders who will come and only say bad things about the NPP. But if you look at the last 6 years, my friends, you look at the work that we have done. Isn't it the National People's Party, isn't it this government that has raised the issue of border issue for the first time in a serious manner? Which other political party or which other government has tried to resolve the border issue? No other political party. All of them come and give long lecture and say that why isn't the border issue resolved? But they have done nothing to resolve it. In the assembly, when one of the members from one political party very passionately said that we will not give 1 inch of our land to Assam. And when I asked that particular MLA, which area are you talking about? Give me the names of the differences. He doesn't know even a single name. How many times have these MLAs or these political leaders actually gone to the border area and met the people in the villages? Have seen what they have gone through? I have gone many times. Our cabinet ministers, our MLAs have gone many times, met with these people and discussed all the issues to resolve the border issue. It is very easy to come and give lecture. Very easy to come and talk big things. But let me tell you, NPP is a party that believes in action.
Hagani ke jingelang menteri rangba ula pun kesanru badai ke sarkar MDA ke bale ke benta bokongsan ban weng ye ke cingkhang ti doyong ha ke jela dak Supreme Court dak baong ba kam hi ke ya suki bat hab ban yaisha ula ong ba ki kam gila ya chekman namak sarkar India kala muncur ban ai ki license bat iki mining plan ula kantha ru iki parti dak baong ba ki nong elam jengki tang poi Khanapara hab Kren hindi balat kim nang ban Kren hindi te kumno kin weng ye ki mat jing e ki bubun.
Today a very important issue of coal, and I know many people out here depend on coal. Friends, you know, there was a time when neither the central government, neither the state government, neither the people of the area could decide what to do with coal. There was a ban from the NJT. We could not find any way to move forward, and the past governments shied away, were worried that if we go to court, if we lose, then after that we will not be able to move forward. But it was this NPP government. We took the tough decision. We took the calculated risk. We said that this is our right and we will fight for it in the Supreme Court. It was no other government, it was no other member of parliament, it was no other political party, it was the NPP who decided to take this issue. And it is because we took the issue up. You are aware that Supreme Court has allowed and lifted the ban. I know things are taking time. Friends, we all know when you plant a tree, don't expect that the tree will be giving fruits in 1 year. It takes time. You have to allow the tree to grow. The fruits will come at the right time. The fruit and the tree for this coal issue was planted by the National People's Party. Yes, the fruits of that are about to come. It is taking time. We have to be slightly patient, but we are on the right track. You all know it. Finally, Government of India has agreed to give licenses, agreed to clear the mining plans. There are 4 people who are just waiting for the public hearing to get over. We are very hopeful that things will start very, very soon. And therefore, have the confidence. And you decide which candidate and which party can actually make or open up the coal. You decide. Is it going to be the Congress and the MP right now? Can he do it? He had so many years, he could not do it. Is it the political parties who are coming here and giving big lecture that we will do it? They don't even have clue on what this coal ban was about. Forget talking about coal ban. As soon as they reach Khanapara and they have to speak in Hindi, they will not be able to speak in Hindi also, they said. How will they resolve your coal issue? Why are you trying to fool the people? What kind of emotion are you playing with? This is very dangerous for our people. And you have to decide on the day you go for the voting, before you press the button, ask yourself which party and which candidate can secure my future? Which party and which candidate can once again bring back the coal mining? Which party and which candidate can bring the development for us? You decide, you ask yourself that question on the 19th, on the day you go for the polling. And that is my only message to all of you, my dear friends. The party, the National People's Party in this government, has been working and developing our state like never before. Like never before. Today, Meghalaya is one of the best performing states in almost every department. And central government has appreciated the work of the National People's Party and this MDA government. And we are moving ahead in the right direction, my friends.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdei ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya kakot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunasnam bar ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo % kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai Kyrteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki scheme ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba fikran ya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.